Well, I think we're quite unique, even in the world of focused ultrasound. We're not a conventional transrectal approach for prostate. We are a transurethral approach. I think that makes us very unique in terms of blending real-time MR imaging with a minimally invasive approach and a dual-frequency thermal ultrasound. Those three ingredients make our treatment quite unique, and we think, when compared to other alternative therapies, quite favorable. Well, I think what's really important is the fact that we use what's basically is an inside-out approach. Using a transurethral approach, we're able to get right into the middle of the prostate via the urethra, and we ablate from the middle out to the end of the gland, as opposed to a transrectal approach, which is an outside-in approach. The challenge with the outside-in approach is that there are other tissues that have to be dealt with in the energy delivery. Transrectal ultrasound also typically takes a lot longer. Our procedure can be completed in terms of ablation in 30 to 40 minutes on the average size prostate. So in our phase 1 study, I think the average delivery time of the ablative energy was only 36 minutes. And again, it was done precisely with millimeter precision in terms of energy delivery and targeting accuracy. The response from clinicians has been very positive. We've, as I said, brought the technology to Europe, to Canada, as well as to the United States in parallel in our first trial, and have gotten feedback from all three jurisdictions in terms of those clinical communities. And I think that they are appreciating the fact that we've brought something new to the table in terms of a minimally invasive approach that is accurate and at the early stages of our safety trial shown to be quite safe. In the next year, we will be becoming much more visible within the clinical community with our technology as we proceed phasing into a commercial existence from our clinical phase that we're in right now. This is the year of change for us. The company will be adequately financed to shift from its clinical research phase into commercialization. And this is sort of the moment every company waits for, where it can bring its product to market and demonstrate early commercial results while it's still dealing with the slower pace of the FDA and the regulatory environment in the United States.